Hi, my name's Sam Metcalf. I'm here today talking to Carl Edwards, Site Director at Charnwood Biomedical Campus. How important is the development of this campus to the local economy, would you say?
Well, when AstraZeneca left the site, 1,600 jobs went from the local economy. I think if we develop the site right, within 5 years we should have 2,000 people on site, which will have a massive impact on the local economy, both in the direct jobs and the supply chain.
Can the East Midlands life sciences sector challenge traditional hubs such as Cambridge?
Well, I think the East Midlands has got great strengths in life sciences. It's got 25% of the UK's medical device companies, which include diagnostics. And I think if you look at the development of the site, that diversity of life sciences and diagnostics and medical devices will actually be a real strength to the site and pull companies away from those traditional hubs, because there are lower costs in the East Midlands, and to be honest, it's a better lifestyle.
How are you working with local universities?
Well, we've got a very active relationship with Loughborough University. They produce graduates in mechanical engineering, production, microfluidics and chemistry that are very attractive to some of the companies who are looking at the site. Obviously, we're very, very close to Leicester and Nottingham universities and their medical schools. And also we've got Derby University locally that's very strong on design and engineering.
And how would you like to progress in the next 10 years?
Well, in 10 years, I would have hoped that all these buildings would be fully occupied. And actually, we've been looking at having already developed new buildings on site and had new companies involved. You know, if we expand the site as it could be, then potentially we're looking at 3,000 jobs here in 10 years' time.
Okay. Carl Edwards, thank you very much.
You're welcome.